Hi there, this is Chris Dunning here. I'm the CEO of Tech Quarters and I'm with my colleague here, Wakas Rana.
Hello.
Wakas is one of our senior product trainers and today we're going to spend 10 minutes talking to you about 365, specifically Microsoft Office 365. What we can tell you a little bit about Tech Quarters is that we've migrated over 250 businesses up to the Microsoft Cloud. So we've built up all this knowledge over time, and the reason why we do these training sessions is purely because we've found people want to adopt the cloud and they want to get better at it. And Microsoft have lots of applications built into Office 365 that, quite frankly, it takes quite a bit of time for people to get up to speed on it. So all of our webinars and our training sessions are aimed at getting you up to speed on Office 365 and all the constituent products as quickly as possible. So that being said, I suppose the first thing you want to say is, what is the cloud? What is Office 365? Well, in simple terms, what Microsoft have done is they've developed these applications that sit in their data centers, and you access all of these software applications from your mobile devices, from your PCs, from your laptops, and you use Internet Explorer to access all of these. So a typical browser on your PC would connect to all these applications. So I think it's worthwhile, actually, I'm going to hand over to Wakas now. He's going to explain all of these applications, what the portal is, and then we'll round up at the end of the 10 minutes to say how you can get the real benefits out of it. So now, over to you, Wakas, I think.
Okay, to log into 365 portal, you need to go into any internet browser. So I'm going to use Internet Explorer. You go on to portal.office.com. You put in your credentials, sign in, and this is your 365 portal. Where you got all applications provided by Microsoft. You don't have to install anything on your local computer. You can use Microsoft Word Online, Excel Online to create documents. You can check your emails in Outlook web app. You can have your calendar and your contacts and even your social media. And you've got all your personal files in OneDrive for Business. And if you want to install a local copy of Office 2013, you can just click Install Now, and it will allow you to install Office 2013. And you get 5 licenses for it. So if you've got a PC at home and you've got a PC at work, you've got a laptop on the go, you can install all those licenses on all those 3 devices.
So the interesting thing about Office 365 is you can buy different plans. So they're bundle packages, actually, that Microsoft give you. So they start at, around about the £2.50 mark, and then it goes up to something like £16 per user per month. But the great thing is, the more you pay on a monthly basis for the plan, the more that you will get thrown into the pot. And if you buy one of these bundle packages, each bundle package for all the applications contained gives you about a 40% saving per plan for buying all the bundle packages, as opposed to buying each individual application separately. So it's a real winner, actually, and really packaged in a nice way. So what we're going to do here is go onto the portal, and Wakas is going to show you literally all of the applications. So it depends on what plan you buy, depends on what you get. Over to you, Wakas.
Okay, most of you already use Outlook on their PCs. I'm going to show you how the online version of Outlook looks. So we just click Outlook button on the main dashboard, and this is how it looks. You can see that you've got your emails over here, and you've got your reading pane on this side, and you've got all your folders on this left side over here. If you click email, you can see you can read your emails over here, standard, reply, forward, delete, a few more functions on this side. Very similar to Outlook though.
And the great thing about Outlook web-based version is you get all of your emails there through the internet browser, but Microsoft Office 365 synchronizes all of your applications and your data to your devices. This is your mobile phone. You've got whatever you use for your tablets, call it a Windows Surface, even an iPad, and your PCs and your laptops. All of your email that you're looking at in the web-based version of Outlook is synchronized immediately down to all of these devices as well.
If you just click this top left button over here, you can see you can jump between the applications. So there's your calendar over here, your contacts over here, very, very similar to Outlook you've got over there. So if you click calendar, this is your calendar. You can change the views if you want, very, very similar to Outlook. You can open other people's calendar, you can overlap them. So yeah, this is how your calendar looks like. And we're going to quickly go into your contacts as well. Just to let you know, Microsoft don't call contacts anymore, they call it people. Online version call it people, and your local contacts address book in Office 2013 is called people as well. So we just click people, and this is your address book, your contact list.
Okay, so we've talked about email. Now what we're going to talk about is your data. So what I mean by that is you've got Word, Excel, PDF files, you know, AVI files. You want to store them somewhere, and you want to store them maybe on your phone and synchronize them up to the cloud, or you can access them all through the portal. So Marcus is going to demonstrate this to you now.
Okay, we are again logged into our portal. This is where you can find all your applications, which are Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online. Basically, there are two sides of this data side. One is the storage element of it, and one is the application side of it. So for storage, if you are storing your personal file, you store it on OneDrive for Business. And if you want to store it as a company file, which you want to share out with different people, you share it on Sharepoint. And if you want to create any of these documents, you can just click on any of these applications. So we'll start with Word, for example. So this is a Word documents, look very similar to a Word local Word copy. You can see you've got all your templates which you get with your local Word copy, and you just click one of the templates and the document is created. Okay, this is your Word Online. You can see it looks very similar to your local Office 2013, and it provides about 80% functionality whatever your local Office 2013 provides. If you go in File, you can see you've got you can save as, you can have all your document history on this side. Similar function on the top, insert, layout, and if you want to open this file onto your local copy of Office 2013, there's one button over here, open with Word, and it just opened with your local copy. But just imagine yourself that you're on a run and your colleague says that you need to edit a Word document. When you're on a run and you're not on your computer, you just walk into an internet cafe on an airport or something, and you want to edit a Word document, this is your answer. This is the answer to your question, that you just log into your 365 portal, open the document in Word Online, edit it, close it. That's all you need. So we've looked into Word Online. So you can see there's Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, and all the Office package applications available on this portal over here. These applications are used to edit your documents, and once you've edited your document, you need to save it somewhere. So to save these documents, either you can save it on OneDrive, which is your personal drive. As you remembered in the past, for your local computer you had My Documents. OneDrive works for your My Documents but in cloud, and you've got sites where you've got different document libraries, and you can store it in SharePoint site where other people can view those documents and work in a collaborative mode to edit those documents with you. So first thing I'm going to show you is OneDrive for Business. So if we click OneDrive, okay, this is your OneDrive for Business, and you can see I've got a few documents in here. You can share documents from here, you can upload document, you can create document within if you just click this new button over here. The best thing about this is you get 1 terabyte space with it, and Microsoft are talking about giving unlimited space very soon on OneDrive for Business.
Okay, so we've looked at OneDrive. OneDrive is really your own area for storing up to 1 terabyte's worth of data. I mean, that is thousands of files that you can store into your personal My Documents area within OneDrive. And that's going to increase over time as well. So the next thing that we want to talk about is where you would store all of your company information. All those files that you think you want to create that everybody might want to look at within your own business or organization. And that area is called Sharepoint. And there's an application for that in Office 365 as well. So over to you, Waqas, to talk us through Sharepoint.
Okay, now I'm going to take you to the SharePoint site. To go into your SharePoint, you need to click this Sites button over here. So you've got your document repositories over here, which are called document libraries in SharePoint. It is a visual representation of your old file server. It provides you similar functionality whatever your old file server provided you in the past. So you can put security on it. You can say what documents can be accessed by what people. And the main thing about it that you can share these documents outside your organization with other people. So if your company is working with people outside the company, you can share these document libraries with them as well.
Okay, so the final core constituent of Office 365 is all about communications. Lync itself is, well, it's actually been rebranded now as Skype for Business, so that will give you a clue. What Lync is really good at is providing instant messages to everybody within your business. You can use it again on your phone. You can use it as a phone just like Skype. But you can also have the added functionality of being able to perform webinars, live meetings that you can invite people to. You can share your desktop. You can connect to other people's machines. So it really is all about communication with live meetings, telephone calls, and instant messages. And then you can use it to demonstrate whatever you want in those webinars. So we're going to hand over to Waqas now, and he's going to run you through just very quickly the core areas of Lync.
Okay, now I'm going to show you Lync 2013. It comes with Office 365. If you open Lync, you can see all our contacts. If you want to communicate with one of those, you just double click their name and you can see all these options. You can see message, you can see a voice call, you can do a video conference, or you can even share your screen. And you can give your control to your screen as well if there's a system admin who wants to access your computer remotely. We use Lync and we've reduced our email traffic by 30%, and we have all the chat history is saved in Outlook.
So thanks for listening. You know, this is all about Office 365 and what it is. I hope that's enlightened you a little bit. We're going to be running more and more sessions on 365. A bit more deep dive, and Waqas, my colleague, who's my training manager, will actually be conducting webinars on all of the individual areas of Office 365 in the very near future. So if you like the sound of this, just give us a call on 0800 148 8001 and get in touch with the Tech Quarters Cloud Academy.